Hello everybody, we're here at Bobby's Hobbies. Hope you've enjoyed the videos, and we're going to try to run something a little newer. Maybe this engine might only be 20 to 30 years old, and it's Spectrum, which is a brand that was started by Bachmann. And let's see, HOGE E33 electric locomotive in New Haven colors livery. So that should be pretty interesting. Let's try not to cause too much destruction with this box. Put the box there. We've been running some really old stuff in the 60, 70 year range and encountering problems where we really have to, clean up the layout to a level. Ooh, I wonder what this little piece is. To a very high level. And there she is in New Haven colors. Kind of impressive. What a box, too. As you can see, this box is seriously cushioned. Now, this is an electric locomotive, and of course, 99% of HO trains run on electricity. There are some that are live steam. I think Hornby makes them. You see, it's got a pantograph. It looks like a Trainmaster. There's no way I'm going to be able to take this apart with one hand, nor am I going to try it. So you're just going to have to, let's see if we can see the bottom. Okay, so it's got 6 wheels on each truck. Probably all powered and all pickup juice. So I don't think I ever even ran this thing. What a shame. Well, we're going to run it now. So again, let's take a look at the schematic board, assuming they gave one. Oh, see, here's the things I never sent in, you know, register your toy train, all that good stuff. I never seem to do that. I don't know, does it matter? Who knows? Here's some kind of schematic. Once you have released the front. Now that's to get in onto the inside. Who knows what's in here? Maybe this thing has got some kind of... That'd serve me right if it's got DCC and can't even run it. I mean, I do have DCC equipment, but I never really hooked it up. I guess I should with a master switch. Oh my gosh. This blow-up kind of faded. A million parts. You go crazy with this thing. Wow. Look at the gears and everything. I'm going to have to take this, make a copy of it. Make it darker. Good Lord. Never thought that the paper would go. Getting worried about the engine. All right. Let me take it out of the box and we'll be back. Bye.